My dear Patreon and Telegram subscribers in the Platinum and Rose Gold tier, welcome to this special edition for the price trajectory that we have for December for BTC, and it was very tough lately in the last month, and with the US government shutdown, it was really exhausting to navigate these markets due to thin liquidity, and we saw also cascading liquidations that were the norm for crypto. So what can we expect in December? And I would say that the month is still interesting. I think the first part will be more powerful also because in the end we do have holidays at the end of the year, but I would like to say that we have two bullish aspects still for the month, one in the beginning and one in the end of the month. You can see them also in the general monthly description, so let's look now at at the dates and also how the trajectory looks like. As mentioned, we do have two long-term aspects, both bullish in December, and they are exact on December 6th. This is a long-term positive, low-intensity aspect from Rahu. This can lead to significant but an unsustainable peak. So be aware of volatility around that date, because we do have also in the global astrology things that will disturb, let's say, this growth on the 9th, if I recall correctly. So just be aware that whatever we have then, it's good to take into account and have at least a partial taking of profits, should this be the case for you, depending on your time frame. Then on December 28th, we have a long-term positive low-intensity aspect from Jupiter, triggering a price increase also at the end of the year. Still, I would advise caution, because from the 9th onwards, we will have some turbulence still. Of course, it depends also on the amount of money injected in the crypto market, because we expect some, we know that it's a lot to come, so this could be negligible depending on what would be the allocation. But the shape in terms of energy is like this. So we will start the month with a quick decline, whatever is at the end of November, and then we will go up, and that would be the peak around this date of 6th. But afterwards we have at least energetically a sharp decline. Again, I do not know if this will really happen. The rule is that we have 40 points in the system could mean a significant move based on observations so far in 2025, where we know that the moon rules BTC, which means that there are many aspects around the clock, so to speak. It's like each and every hour, and the hour makes the day. So this is a problem, so to speak. Therefore, it's also difficult to estimate targets. But here, as you see, we do see a drop, like I told you. So the 9th is quite volatile, critical. It could be a big swing at that time. And especially if the target is really energetical, it's very strong. If we have a lot of money pouring into it, then you can imagine that it will be a massive profit taking, possibly, and also liquidations on the shorts, should they be there. And then we do have a recovery for sure. It is like a sideways price action, as you see, between around 60 and something and 70. Yes, you see 58. So usually this is not a big difference if you see only 10 points, and we can say that it will be like a corridor, so to speak, in which the price will move until the end of the month. And indeed, on the 28th, we do have this aspect from Jupiter, and yes, it's also holiday season for the end of the year. we could have an isolated pump, but you see that the trajectory is really considering also all other moon aspects, which means that they are diminishing. Whatever Jupiter is bringing, they are diminishing. So I don't see, a spectacular end of the year. It could be that it's a pump and then a profit taking, and then that's it until the markets will open in January. So this is the way I see this based on energy. Of course, if we get another capital injection at the end of the year or something big happens, some big news, then we could see really a nice pump still at the end of the year. But I see it dependent on singular events rather, and not really on the energy that is present. So this is the way I see December. As always, I want to thank you for your loyalty, for your support, for the time and attention into these videos, and for being with me the whole year. I'm very grateful for that, and I would like to use this opportunity to wish you all the best for the next year, for 2026, and to have success in trading, investing, and all areas of life. All the best to you.